to Dartmouth Street.
Good morning, guys. November 8th, 2023. So now we got a call for annual burner service. Older lady. I don't know if I've done it, worked for her before, but
keep right to Russell's Mills Road.
I believe it's oil. I do a lot of these. I go around and, you know, been doing them for years, and they've been running clean, and you know, usually go there, change a nozzle and a filter, and check the oil flow, so I can check if the pump filter's dirty. And I don't always take them all apart and you know, brush them all out unless they need it. If they're dirty, I'll do it. I do what I have to do, put it that way, and I charge the people accordingly. You know, some people think that you should, you know, do this, do that, and mow her lawn, and then wash your windows while you're there, and do all kinds of unnecessary bullshit that you don't need to do. I just do what I have to do. What they need to get done, I do. And if there's a problem, they call me, I gotta go back and fix it anyway, so it's not a big deal. I got tons of them all over the place that I maintain. Been doing this for 30 years. You figure after 30 years, I should know what I'm doing by now, right? I mean, if not, there's no hope for me. After 30 years in business, if I don't know what I'm doing by now, there is no hope for me. Like I said, I do what I have to do. I'm not gonna be doing shit I don't need to do. If you want to do that, go right ahead. Knock yourself out. What do I care? No skin off my balls. Riello. I got a filter here, and I got a filter there. As long as we keep that filter clean and replaced, we shouldn't need to change that one. That's a secondary tiger loop. I've been here. No filter at tank, no nozzle. Clean burner head. I did that last year. Yeah, running nice and clean there. See it? No soot. That's what we want. Running clean and lean, mama. Pressure's good at 24. No blowouts. I'm not a big fan of these brass angle shutoffs. Definitely not something I would put in. Well, it's there. Hopefully it still works. Let's see what this thing looks like. It's been a year. 5/8. That don't look bad. I'm gonna change it while I'm here. Put a new one in it. Don't look bad. While I'm here, I'll change it out. Been gaskets on the top here are usually fine. You don't have to play with them. If they leak, I'll change them. This is 5/16. Bleed the air out of it. This is a Riello burner. They run pretty good, the Riellos. Bleed it. I could bleed it on the other end if I had to. We got a firematic here also. Bleed it out of there. Good, how you doing? That's what they call a general filter, or an F1. That's an F1 or a general. See how it's smaller? The F4 is bigger. I'm on the two I deal with mostly. And bleed it out of here, get the air out. Once the oil comes out, I'm good. Alright, here comes the oil. While I had it out, I changed the filter, seeing it was a biodiesel in this area. Just change the filter. We'll check the oil coming out of the pump, and we can see if that pump screen's dirty. It's got a special little Torx. I think it's a 22. There's 3 screws. You gotta loosen up 3 screws. Just get a couple of screws loose now. That should come right off. I got the power off to this thing. There's a little set screw right here. Loosen up that screw, and put this in here and pop it back. Comes right off. CAD cell. The same thing with these little weird screws. Torx. What does it say? T15. That's a T15. That's what it is. This one is this one's got a tiger loop, so it's a 2-pipe and it's self-bleeding through the tiger loop. I wouldn't have to worry about that. The filter's clean. I'm not going to worry about it. She was complaining about it tripping on safety. Well, we'll get into it deeper, but no need. I said I do what I have to do. I don't waste my time doing shit that's unnecessary. Don't run, she's gonna call me anyway. Running nice and clean there, see it? How nice and clean it's running? That's what we want. Running nice and clean. Yeah, it's nice and shiny. There's a set screw right here. Loosen that up. The Phillips. You loosen that up, and this whole thing will slide right out. You can see where it goes. This is all running good. This is all nice. You just put a new nozzle on it. It's a 0.75 60. See how that's nice and clean? It's running good. That's what was put in it last year. It was here last year. Little nozzle. You seen inside the smoke pipe how nice and clean. See how clean this is? This is all running perfect. Leave it alone. Don't look for trouble. Don't look for trouble. Everybody's a flippin' know-it-all. Everybody knows everything. Yeah. Everybody's a flippin' know-it-all. We'll see how it fires up, see how it runs. This is a pro press job. The only thing that's dirty is my hands. The only thing dirty is my hands. Let's see if we get this thing to fire up. Yeah, we're pretty low here, so we're going to turn this up just so it runs. It's on heat. Let's call one. Started up nice, you hear it? Nice and clean. runner. There's a runner. Don't look for problems, just fix the, give it a service, keep it running. Keep it running clean and lean and you'll be fine most of the time. If it breaks down and soots up, well, you gotta come back in. If you'd see it, if it was smoky, you'd see it in there. Smoking, you'd see it. Pressure's good at 24. We're fine with that. Alright, this is the second year I've been here. New filter at tank, new nozzle, clean burner head, zero smoke, running clean and lean. That's what we want. Second floor's running. Zone control here. Tank looks okay. Do what you have to do. Don't look for trouble. Good.